Adam, as a professional creative problem solver, what are some hints or tips that you have for folks to optimize their creative output throughout the day?
So I love this topic because I love the creative process and the tricks that make it work. I actually think it really begins the night before. I once learned that Hemingway would deliberately stop writing a thought mid-sentence so he could pick up his work again in the morning with like amazing momentum. And that would just propel him through the rest of his day. So sometimes we can emulate that, and you're working on something, and even though you know where you're going to go next and it might feel good to complete it before you call it a night, stop mid-slide, mid-sentence, whatever it is, mid-spreadsheet, and take a pause. So when you resume your work in the morning, you've got that momentum, the positivity, the energy. You're not starting in a puzzled way or without a map, but you know exactly where to go. Another part that is essential to it is that morning, I like to be creative before I put anything else into my brain. The brain synthesizes overnight while you're sleeping, unconsciously. And if you start listening to news or a podcast or you're reading emails, that can start to act as interference of sorts, preventing what you are really working on without even knowing it overnight from getting out. So I like to express myself, whether it's journaling or picking that pen up and finishing the sentence that I stopped the night before. I like to do that right away. Have these great creative outbursts first thing in the morning as a way to let myself really just get those ideas out there, pre-input, before anything else has a chance to interfere.